In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free account on Zoom. If you find this video helpful, just like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get started, you need to go ahead and either download the Zoom app or visit the official Zoom website. Here, go ahead and click on sign up free, then accept cookies here. You need to go ahead and enter the birth year to continue. So let me enter, for example, 2000 and then click on continue. Give your email and click on continue. Now you have to check your email for a confirmation code. So I'll go to my email and here is my confirmation code. I'll enter it and then click on verify. Now to continue, go ahead and enter your first name and last name. Then set your preferred password. So I'll go ahead and set a preferred password, and it must contain 8 characters, including 1 number, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 lowercase letter. So I'll go ahead and set mine. If you are setting this account on behalf of a school, go ahead and check this for educators. If not, go ahead and click on continue. And here you can now go ahead and proceed with the Zoom Workplace Pro or Basic, or if you want to try for free, just go ahead and click on start free trial. And finally, you will be redirected to this payment page. Here we have 2 plans that you can select and start. On a free trial, we have the 7-day free, which is billed at $13.33 per month, or this amount annually. You can also choose the 7-day free trial, and this is the billing. Go ahead and click on continue to check out, then enter your payment method to complete your account setup. Among the information you need is street address, zip code, the country, account type, as well as if you have legal company name, business size, just to mention but a few. You'll also need to have your personal identity number, that is PIN, to complete this. So that's how you can set up a Zoom account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.